ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। चतुर्थ अध्याय पेज नंबर 938। चतुर्थ अध्याय है 6 ब्राह्मणस विल बी डिस्कस्ड। सीटी का पूर्वस्मिन् अध्याये जल्पन्यायेन सच्चिदानन्दं ब्रह्म निर्धारितम्। इदानीं वादन्यायेन तदेव निर्धारयितुम् अध्यायान्तरम् अवतारयति। जल्पन्याय 7 नंबर टिप्पणी। चतुरंग निर्वर्त्य जय पराजय प्रधान न्यायेन। चतुरंग, there are 4 aspects in jalpa. Jalpa means vijigishu katha. Chetum ichha vijigisha, desire to win, not to learn. So Yajnavalkyaji's desire was to win over the others or to defeat them. What are the chaturanga? Vadi niyama, prativadi niyama, sabhya samvaranam, sabhapati samvaranam cha. Iti chatvari angani kathayaha. This is Jalpa Katha. Between Jalpa and Vitanda, there is a Bheda. He says there, they are given in Tarkika Raksha. Vadi Niyama, Vadi means the one who is going to do the Siddhanta Paksha, Prativadi, Purva Paksha. Sabhya means the audience. Sabhapati, the judge of the debate. Here Samvaranam. Samvaranam means you have to accept their decision, accept their presence in every way. So third chapter was Jalpanyaya for Satchidanandam Brahma, to establish Satchidananda Brahma. Fourth chapter now is Vadanyayana. Vada is 8 number. Shishyacharya Kramena Tattva Nirnaya Pradhanena. So it is Tattva Nirnaya Pradhana. Tattva Nirnaya Pradhana Nyayena. So there is Shishya and Acharya. Bhashya. Janako Havaideha Asan Chakre. This is going to be the first mantra. So he just gives the introduction with that. Asya Sambandha. You have to do Sangati, so now he gives Sambandha. Asya Vartishyamana Brahmana Dvayasya Sambandha. The first 2 Brahmanas Sambandha he is going to show. Tatra Brahmana Dvayasya Avantara Sambandham Pratijanite Asya. First 2 Brahmana, their Sambandha he shows now. Tameva Vaktam Vrittam Kirtayati. To show the Brahmana Sambandha, वृत्तं कीर्तयति। शारीराद्यान् अष्टौ पुरुषान् निरुह्य प्रत्युह्य पुनर्हृदये दिग्भेदेन च पुनः पंचधा व्यूह्य हृदये प्रत्युह्य हृदयं शरीरं च पुनरन्योन्य प्रतिष्ठम् प्राणादि पंचवृत्त्यात्मके समानाख्ये जगदात्मनि सूत्रे उपसंहृत्य up to this let us say. In the Shakalya Brahmana, Vidagdha Shakalya Purvavan, Shariradyan Ashtau Purushan, 8 Purushas were there. Shariradyan, this came in Brahma Sutra recently. I asked the question, who are the Ashtapurushas? See third number. Adi Shabdena Kamamayadi Kamamaya Aditya Purushau Shrautraha Pratishrutya छायामयो दर्पणादिस्थ प्रतिबिंबो वापि कूपादि अभिमानी पुत्रमयश्च इति अवशिष्टाः सप्त उक्ताः. शारीर is first, rest of this 7 are given here. पुरुषान् निरुह्य प्रत्युह्य टीका निरुह्य प्रत्युह्य इति विस्तार्य व्यवहारम् आपाद्य इत्यर्थः. Having done the vistara व्यवहारम् आपाद्य पुनर्हृदये दिग्भेदेन च. In hridaya means in the sthula sharira. Digbhedena cha, in 2 ways he explained. In the body as well as the digbhedena, the dishas 5. You remember digbhedena panchadha, 4 directions and above. So in this way vistar was done. Panchadha vyuhya, hridaye pratyuhya. प्रत्युह्य हृदये टीका पुनर उपसंहृत्य इति यावत्. So he brings it back from everywhere outside back to hridaya. शरीरं च पुनर अन्योन्यम प्रतिष्ठम. हृदयम शरीरम and they are anyonya pratishtham means hridaya is in sharira, sharira is in hridaya. Hridaya which is in sharira, you have to take upalakshana of hridaya as sukshma sharira and sharira as sthula sharira. So sthula sharira depends upon sukshma sharira. Sukshma sharira is pratisthita in sthula sharira in this. प्राणादि पंचवृत्त्यात्मक के समानाख्ये जगदात्मनि सूत्रे उपसंहृत्य. They all are in pancha prana, pranapan vyana udana samana. So samanakhye प्राणादि पंचवृत्त्यात्मके जगदात्मनि. जगदात्मा अव्याकृत. जगदात्मनि इति अव्याकृतोक्ति ही. सूत्र शब्देन तत्कारणम गृह्यते. तत्कारणम तस्य कारणम सूत्रस्य कारणम. So sutra means actually antaryami. उपसंहृत्य जगदात्मानं शरीर हृदय सूत्रावस्थम अतिक्रांतवान यह औपनिषदः पुरुषः. शरीर हृदय सूत्रावस्थम अतिक्रांतवान, the one who has gone beyond all of them. Sharira, sthula sharira, hridaya, sukshma sharira, sutra avastham, antaryami, atikrantavan. Yaha औपनिषदः पुरुषः. अतिक्रांतवान् अतिक्रम्य वर्तते इति अतिक्रांतवान्. So the one who goes beyond sthula sharira, sukshma sharira and antaryami, that person will know this. Yaha Upanishadah Purushaha. Neti neti iti vyapadishtaha. That is the one which is revealed by the Upanishad. See Tika now. So, Sutra Shabdina Tat Karanam Grihyate. Atikramanam, Atikrantavan, Atikramanam means Tad Guna Dosha Asamsprishtatvam. Untouched by the Guna or Dosha of Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira, all the way up to Antaryami. Upanishada Purusha, Neti Neti iti Vyapadishtaha. The one which was taught as Neti Neti. So that we saw Neti Neti. Athata Adesha Atma Neti Neti.
अगृह्यो न हि गृह्यते अशीर्यो न हि शीर्यते
Asango Nahi Sajyate.
असितो न हि व्यथते न ऋष्यति.
Narishyati. That is Neti Neti Atma Vyapadishtaha. Saha Sakshacha Upadana Karan Swarupena Cha Nirdishtav. Vijnanam Anandam Brahma iti. And that same Upanishad Purusha was revealed as Upadana Karana Swarupena Cha Nirdishto. Sakshat. Vijnanam Anandam Brahma Ratir Dhatuhu Parayanam Tishthamanasya Tadvidaha. Anandam Brahma iti. Tika. Anantar Brahmana Dvaya Tatparyam Aha. Okay, now everything is given. Now what is the connection with the next two Brahmanas? Tasyaiva Vagadi Devata. So up till now everything was from the last portion of Shakalya Brahmana, which is the previous one. Anantara Brahmana Dvaya Tatparyam. What is the Tatparya of the next two Brahmanas? Tasyaiva Vagadi Devata Dvarena पुनरधिगमः कर्तव्य इति अधिगम उपायांतर अर्थो अयम आरंभो ब्राह्मण द्वयस्य. अधिगम उपायांतरार्थो अयम आरंभो ब्राह्मण द्वयस्य. So next to Brahmanas, Adhigama Upaya. Adhigama means Jnanam. Jnana Upaya. What is the Jnana Upaya? So Upanishad wants to reveal everything is Brahma. Sarvam Brahma. But if a person is not able to understand Sarvam Brahma, then what should happen? They should take smaller steps. So in this Brahmana, for example, what will be explained? Vak Brahma, Chakshur Brahma, Shrotra Brahma. Like this, some Sukshma Vastu you take and there you see Brahma. Means you understand that as Brahma. Then slowly, having added few things as Brahma, you expand your understanding. So by then, Chitta Shuddhi will happen. Mind will become ready to accept the highest teaching. So that is why Vagadi Devata Dvarena Adhigamaha Kartavya. Some upasanas are given. So this is adhigama upaya. It is a means to get jnanam, that vijnanam anandam neti neti, actually I will be able to understand. So that's why in the previous Brahmana also, whatever is shown here, Shariradi Ashtapurusha, then Hridaya, then Panchadha, dividing it into 5 prana. If I am able to concentrate on only that as Brahma first, prana is Brahma, prana, Brahma, apana, vyana, udana, samana. Directions, they are Brahma. These Ashtapurushas. So then gradually my vision is expanded. But in that portion, in the previous one, it was not with the objective of revealing Brahma. It was with the objective of defeating the opponent. So there it was not mentioned it is Brahma, but more or less it was the same. So here upayantarartho ayam arambho brahmana dvayasya. For the upayantarartha, artha means prayojanaya, ayam arambha. ठीक है, वागादि अधिष्ठात्रीषु अज्ञादि देवतासु ब्रह्म दृष्टि द्वारा इत्यर्थः. वागादि अधिष्ठात्रीषु अज्ञादि देवतासु, वागादि अधिष्ठात्री अज्ञादि देवता, इन देम ब्रह्म दृष्टि द्वारा इत्यर्थः. पूर्वोक्त अन्वय व्यतिरेकादि साधन अपेक्षया अंतर शब्द है. Upayantar, it is given. What is Upayantara? Earlier, Anvaya Vyatirekadi sadhan was given. This is different from it. That's why Antar Shabda. Upayantara. Anya Upaya. Upayantara. What is the sutra for this samasa? Mayura Vyansakadayascha. Sutra Sutrantaram. Anyat Sutram Sutrantaram. Mayura Vyansakadayascha. This is the sutra. आख्यायिका तो आचार प्रदर्शनार्थ. आख्यायिका इज फॉर आचार प्रदर्शनार्थ. आचार प्रदर्शनाय इयम आख्यायिका इति आचार प्रदर्शनार्थ. प्रदर्शनाय इयम is called प्रदर्शनार्थ. So this is चतुर्थी विभक्ति. चतुर्थी तदर्थार्थ बलि हित सुख रक्षितैहि. This is the sutra. चतुर्थी तदर्थार्थ बलि हित सुख रक्षितैहि. So in that artha is there. Pradarshanaaya आख्यायिका is strilinga, so iyam. What is the आचार? सीटिका. आचार्यवता श्रद्धादि संपन्नेन विद्या लब्धव्या इति आचारः. आचार्यवान. आचार्यवता, the one who is आचार्यवान. आचार्यो आचार्य अस्य अस्ति इति आचार्यवत्. मतु प्रत्यय is there. and then taya, acharyavata. So the one who is acharyavan, by that shraddhadi sampannena vidya labdhavya iti acharah. By that person endowed with shraddhadi vidya labdhavya, he has to gain vidya. This is the achara. श्रद्धा आदि संपन्नेन अधिकारिणा. Shraddha means, what is the shloka for Shraddha? Shloka. शास्त्रस्य
गुरुवाक्यस्य सत्यबुद्ध्यवधारण
सत्यबुद्ध्यावधारण सा श्रद्धा कथिता सद्भिः यया वस्तु उपलभ्यते. In सर्व वेदांत सिद्धांत सार संग्रह also it is said this will become the mukhya karana. Shraddha is most important. When you don't have Shraddha, then nothing will happen. Nidanam mukti siddhaye. This is how it is said. Guru Vedanta Vakyeshu buddhirya nishchayatmika satyam ityeva sa shraddha nidanam mukti siddhaye. Nidanam mula karana. For mukti siddhi, shraddha is the mula karana. And you know, ashraddha dhanasya, agnyasya ashraddha dhanasya, samshayatma vinashyati. So, Shraddha is very important. Vidya labdhavya. This is the achara. Achara pradarsanartha. So, Janak Maharaj has so much Shraddha in Yajnavalkya and he also has acharya. So, in first two Brahmanas that are going to be discussed, about that we will see now. ओम जनको हवै देह आसान चक्रे अथः याज्ञवल्क्य आवव्राज तं होवाच याज्ञवल्क्य किमर्थमचारी पशूनिच्छन् अन्वन्तान् इति उभयमेव सम्राट् इति होवाच. जनको हवै देह आसान चक्रे. 1 नंबर टिप्पणी. कथितः पंचमे जल्पः षष्ठे वाद उदीर्यते वादिनामपि शिष्याणां बुद्ध्यारोहो द्विधोक्तितः. पंचमे जल्पः कथितः. पंचमे in the fifth chapter means Tritiya Adhyaya, starting from the first two Karma Adhyaya, then it will become Panchama Krama. Shashthe Vadaha Udiriyata. In this chapter of Chaturtha Adhyaya is Vada. Vadinam api shishyanam buddhi aroho. For Vadis as well as for Shishya, buddhi aroho vidhoktitaha. Buddhi aroha means in their buddhi, Atma Jnanam will be given. Apischa artha. Api is chakarartha. Vadinancha shishyan. Shad brahmanani te shvadye upastihi krama muktaye. Dvitiye jagrada dyuktya pratyagatma vinirnayah. This is still in 1 number tippani down there. Shad brahmanani teshu. In this chapter, there are 6 Brahmanas in Chaturtha Adhyaya. First chapter is Upasana, Krama Mukti. Upastihi Krama Muktaye. Second is Jnanam, Jagradadi, Jagrad Swapna Shushupti Vichar will be there. Uktya Pratyagatma Vinirnaya, Pratyagatma Nirnaya will be done. Shad Brahmanani iti asmin adhyaye. Tritiye paralokasya mokshasyapi nidarshanam. Darshtantikam chaturthe tu panchame bodha sadhanam. Third chapter, so third chapter and fourth chapter, not third Brahmana and fourth Brahmana. In this chapter, Tritiya Brahmana is Antaryami Brahmana, not Antaryami. Swayam Jyoti Brahmana. Swayam Jyoti Brahmana is very important. And the next one is Shariraka Brahmana. Shariraka Brahmana. So for Tritiya and Chaturtha Brahmana, they are very big and very important. First two are very small. So in Tritiya, Paralokasya Mokshasyapi Nidarshanam. Moksha Nidarshanam iti. And in the Chaturtha, Dashtantikam Chaturtha is Shariraka, so there Drishtanta is given. Panchame Bodha Sadhanam. In the fifth one, there is Bodha Sadhanam. Panchama Brahmana will be what? Yajnavalkya and Maitreyi Brahmana. Give me a second. Panchama Brahmana is Maitreyi Brahmana. So once again, about Maitreyi, there is a discussion. More or less the repeat of what was given in second chapter. With one exception, Yajnavalkya ji's sannyasa is mentioned here. Shashthe Vamsha iti prokta Brahmanartha athojyate. Shashtha is Vansha Brahmana. So in this way, 6 Brahmanas are there. These are the shlokas from Vartika Sara. So Janakoha Vaideha, Janak Raja Vaideha, Asan Chakre, lit. As Upaveshane, Dhatu is there. How Chakre will come for As Upaveshane Dhatu? What is the sutra? Kruichanu Prajyate Liti. So As, Am is there, Kru will come. Kru will become Chru, Kuhoshuhu. Asan Chakre. Atha Yajnavalkya Avabraja. Yajnavalkya ji came. Janak Maharaj was seated on Asana. Asan Chakre means he was seated to meet people, visitors, etc., and the audience in the assembly. At that time, Yajnavalkya ji arrived. Avabraja, Vabraja, Vabraja, Vavrajatuhu.
Vavrajuhu.
Aage, further.
Vavrajitha, Vavrajituhu, Vavraja. Vavraja, Vavrata, Vavrajiva, Vavrajima.
Vabraja, Vabraja, Vavrajiva, Vavrajima. This is also lit. तं होवाच याज्ञवल्क्य किमर्थम आचारी तम याज्ञवल्क्यम जनक उवाच हे याज्ञवल्क्य किमर्थम आचारी फॉर व्हाट पर्पस यू हैव कम आचारी आचारी लुंग लकार चर धातु लुंग सिच इतश्च अर्धधातुकस्य इड्वलादेः अस्ति सिचो प्रत्ययः ऑल दी known sutra only one is atul rantasya char dhatu is there will become chari madhyam purush ekvachan achari why have you come for pashun icchan desiring cows or anvantan anu anto yesham अणु में सूक्ष्म सूक्ष्म अंतो येषाम प्रश्नानाम तान प्रश्नान तो क्वेश्चंस मीन्स हैव यू कम फॉर subtle questions if you come for subtle questions then I will ask subtle questions when I ask subtle questions then you have to give answers to questions याज्ञवल्क्य जी says ubhayam eva samraditi I have come for both I will take cows also. I will listen to your questions and give answers also. भाष्य जनको वैदेह आसान चक्र आसनम कृतवान आस्थायिकां दत्तवान इत्यर्थः दर्शन कामेभ्यो राज्ञः So he gave the asanam kritavan, asthayikam dattavan. So Raja offered him asana. These things we have to understand. Not that as soon as some rishi comes and he'll ask, why have you come? For cows or for questions? All the upacharas were done. You have to understand. अतः तस्मिन् अवसरे याज्ञवल्क्य आवव्राज आगतवान् आत्मनो योगक्षेमार्थम टीका अप्राप्त प्राप्तिर योगः प्राप्तस्य रक्षणं क्षेम इति विभागः भाष्य योगक्षेमार्थम राज्ञो वा विविदिशां दृष्ट्वा अनुग्रहार्थम for one's own well-being means cows etc or to see the vividisha of Janaka and to bless him, to grace him with teaching anugrahartham. So this we also should understand when Acharya is asking a question or when Acharya is doing some satsang, etc., it is for the anugraha. It is not that Acharya wants to find a reason to scold. It is anugrahartha. Tam agatam yajnavalkyam yathavat pujam kritva uvacha. When Janak Maharaj saw that Yajnavalkya has come, yathavat pujam kritva uvacha ha uktavan. Janako ha he Yajnavalkya kimartham acharihi. He asked, hey Yajnavalkya, for what objective you have come? Agatosi. Kim pashunichan punarapi ahosvid anvantan sukshmantan सूक्ष्म वस्तु निर्णयांतान प्रश्नान मत्तः श्रोतुम इच्छन इति. Have you come for Pashu or for Sukshma Anto Yasham Te Sukshmantan? Sukshma is Brahma Vastu. So Brahma Vastu Vishayaka Prashna. Sukshma Vastu Nirnayantan Prashnan. Whose Nirnaya will happen through Sukshma. See 1 number tippani. Nirnaya Paryantan Nirnaya Phalakan iti yavat Sukshma Vastu Brahma. तो तद विषय का प्रश्नान मत्तः श्रोतुम इच्छामि इच्छन इति उभयमेव पशून् प्रश्नांश्च both ubhayam. In Kailash, in the beginning when the acharyas used to come, people used to come, Mahatmas to stay, so they will be asked, have you come here for studies or have you come here for Ganga Snanam? Means what are you going to do? Are you just going to go to Gangaji every day, snan, come back and roti todte hain? You will eat rotis or you will actually study here. So Chote Maharaj Ji was asked this question. So he said, I will do both. I will go to Ganga Snanam was must for everybody because there was no tap water here. Everybody had to go to Gangaji only for Snanam. Or well was there, you have to take out the water from the well through some process and then. So both. And then Adhyana Adhyapana. Ubhayameva Pashun Prashnanscha. How does the Shakara come?
Naschavya Prashan.
And Prashnan becoming Anuswara?
Anuswara by Naschavya Prashan.
Shakara by Nashchavya Prashna. Anuswara by Nashcha Padantasya Dhvani.
प्रथमतस्य च
Prashnanscha. A Samrat. Samrat Pratipadika is Samraj. Prathama Ekvachan will be Samrad, Samrat. Samrat iti, who is Samrat? See, Vajapaya Yajino Lingam Yascha Agnya Ragnya Prashasti Sa Samrat. Tasya Amantranam He Samrat iti. Samastasya va Bharatasya Varshasya Raja. The one who does Vajpaya Yaga, he is called Samrat. That is the lingam. Or by whose Agnya, Yascha Agnya Ragnya Prashasti. By whose instructions other kings will rule kingdoms. So Samrat is emperor, like Ragnya Prashasti. Sa Samrat. Tasya Amantranam Sambodhanam He Samrat iti. Or Samastasya va Bharatasya. Bharatvarshasya Raja. How big is Bharatvarsha? Tika. Bharatasya Varshasya Himavat Setu Paryantasya Deshasya iti yavat. From Himalaya up to Setu. But 5 number Tippani tells more things. Uttaram yat samudrasya himadreshchaiva dakshinam. Varsham tad bharatam nama bharati yatra santati. We all are called Bharati. Varsham sthanam viduhu pragnyaha varsho stri bharatabdau cha jambu dvipat vrishtishu iti medini. Basically, they have given the north and south, but the east, west, from where to where, they say Jambu Dvipa. That much is given. Okay, with this first mantra is complete. तत्र राजानं प्रति प्रश्नम् उत्थापयति किन्तु इति। मंत्र यत्ते कश्चिदब्रवीत् तच्छृण्वाम इति अब्रवीन् मे जित्वा शैलिनीर्वाग्वै ब्रह्मेति यथा मातृमान् पितृमान् आचार्यवान् ब्रूयात् तथा तच्छैलिनीरब्रवीत् वाग्वै ब्रह्मेत्यवदतो हि किं स्यात् इति अब्रवीत् तु ते तस्य आयतनं प्रतिष्ठां न मे अब्रवीत् इति एकपादात् वा एतत् सम्राट् इति स वै नो ब्रूहि। याज्ञवल्क्य वागेवायतनम् आकाश प्रतिष्ठा प्रज्ञे इत्येन दुपासीत का प्रज्ञता याज्ञवल्क्य वागेव सम्राट् इति होवाच वाचा वै सम्राट् बन्धुः प्रज्ञायत ऋग्वेदो यजुर्वेदः सामवेदोऽथर्वाङ्गिरस इतिहासः पुराणं विद्या उपनिषदः श्लोकाः सूत्राणि अनुव्याख्यानानि व्याख्यानानि इष्टं हुतं आश्रितं पायितं अयं च लोकः परश्च लोकः सर्वाणि च भूतानि वाचैव सम्राट् प्रज्ञायन्ते वाग् वै सम्राट् परमं ब्रह्म नैनं वाग्जहाति सर्वाण्येनं भूतान्यभिक्षरन्ति देवो भूत्वा देवानप्येति य एवं विद्वान् एतदुपास्ते अस्ति ऋषभं सहस्रं ददामीति होवाच जनको वै देहः स होवाच याज्ञवल्क्यः पिता मे मन्यत नाननुशिष्य हरेत इति। Very big mantra, but lot of different aspects are there. Yatte kaschid abravit tat shrunavama. Yajnavalkya ji is telling Janak Maharaj, what other acharyas have taught you, that you tell me first, so that we shall hear. Shrunavama, Bahuvachanam he says. We means we all will listen. Iti abravit me jitva shailini. So this Shilinaha apatyam shailini. What did he say? Vag vai Brahma iti. He said Vag is Brahma. Yatha matraman pitraman acharyavan bruyat. How a person with mother, father and acharya would teach. Like that he taught. Tat shailini rabravit. Vag vai Brahma iti. Avadato hi kim syat iti. So in this way, person who speaks, that person alone will get everything. Person who doesn't speak, avadato hi kim syat. Therefore, all accomplishments are through Vak. Therefore, Vak is Brahma. All good relations are established through Vak. Of course, everything, whatever you get, anything you want to spoil, it is only through Vak. Iti. Yajnavalkya ji is asking now, Abravit tu te tasya ayatanam pratistham. Did he tell you what is the ayatanam of Vak? What is the pratishtha of Vak? Ayatanam means shariram, pratishtha ashraya. He said, no, na me abravit iti. This is Janak Maharaj. Na me abravit. Ekapad va etat samraditi. Yajnavalkya says, he has told you only one pada. So this Brahmana name is Shadacharya Brahmana. 6 acharyas will be there. Shailini is one of them. Shadacharya. So first acharya is Shailini. Ekapad va etat samraditi. Savai no bruhi. He said, this is all he told us. Yajnavalkya. Now Yajnavalkya ji says further. Naha So you tell now, naha bruhi in this way. Vag eva ayatanam, akasha pratishtha. Vag is ayatanam, akasha is pratishtha. Prajna iti enad upasita. And you have to do upasana of this Vag as prajna. So now Janak Maharaj is asking, ka prajna, prajnata yagnavalkya, what is that prajnata? Vag eva samrat iti. Vag is prajna. Vacha vai samrat bandhuhu prajnayate. By vacha, by speech alone, bandhuhu prajnayate. Bandhu, relatives, all are known because somebody will introduce through Vag. You can see person, but what is the relation with this person? What is the relation with this? Only Vag will tell. Not only that, Rigvedo, Yajurveda, Samvedo, Atharvangirasa, Itihasa Puranam, Vidya Upanishadaha Shloka, Sutrani, Anuvyakyanani, Vyakyanani, all of these means Shastra. Then, Ishtam, Hutam, Ashitam, whatever is Ishta, Ishta Purta, so that is Ishtam, Hutam, Ashitam, Paitam. Ashitam, what is food that is consumed by the one who is hungry. So when you offer food, then the dharma that you acquire. Paitam, when you offer water or any drinks, the punya that you get. Ayancha lokaha, parascha lokaha. This loka, other loka. About that, whatever knowledge is also through Vak. Sarvani cha bhutani, vachaiva samrat prajnayante. All beings, they become known only through speech. Prajnayante. Vag vai samrat paramam brahma. So as I said, if a person is not able to see Brahma in everything, then what they should do? Some such sukshma thing they should take, and in that they should do Brahma Buddhi. So in Sthula Vastu like Shivalinga or Bhagwan's Murti, we say, this is Rama, this is Krishna. So we should understand this is Brahma, this is Vyapaka. But it is in Sthula, it is external. So here Upanishad talks about Sukshma Vastu as Alambana. Vag vai samrat paramam brahma. Nainam vag jahati. Sarvani enam bhutani abhiksharanti. The person who does this kind of upasana, Vag doesn't renounce that person. It blesses this person. Means this upasana will bless. Sarvani enam bhutani abhiksharanti. All beings, they praise, they offer things to this person. Things will come to that person only who has good speech. If it comes otherwise, it is a blessing of Bhagavan and that other person who is offering. Vag vai samrat paramam brahma. Sarvani bhuta abhikshanti. Devo bhutvan devan apyeti. This is a very important upasana. Devo bhutva, this we will discuss in the next session. Ya evam vidwan etad upaste. The one who knows in this way, he will get that devata sharira. Asti rishabam sahasram dadami iti hovacha janako vaideha. Asti rishabam sahasram. Asti means elephant. Rishabha means bull. So sahasram means he is not giving either elephant or bull. He is giving cow who are capable of giving birth to Rishabha, which are equivalent to Hasti, elephant. Hasti Tulya Rishabham. In that Samas Vigraha is given in Bhashya. So, equivalent to that, the equivalent to bull, which is similar to elephant. That cow who already has the ability to give birth to such Rishabha. Like that 1,000 cows I shall give you. Sahasram dadami. Iti hovacha. Janako vaideha. Yajnavalkya said, no, sahovacha Yajnavalkya pita me amanyat na ananushishya hareta iti. Without enlightening the student, don't take wealth from the student. Means if you take anything with the understanding that I have to teach this person Brahma Vidya, then only you take. If not Brahma Vidya, then whatever Vidya you know, you can teach. But that should be the niyama. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.